Here we are. Bahar Land. My last name, if y'all didn't know. Munir Bahar Core Construction, the 98-year-old farmhouse renovation project underway. Just wanted to give an update video. The last video we were just finishing the structure of the addition. We didn't yet have the sheathing, but that came in, and so we were able to complete that phase of the new addition. An addition of almost 800 square feet, and this thing is just, it's massive. It's built. We even have the big windows in. I want to say, I think these windows are probably going to be the most standout feature of this house. So thankful for finding these on Facebook Marketplace at a real reasonable price. These are 1-inch thick windows, insulated glass panels. So I was able to incorporate these to a lot of the space around the house. And even this new addition, we have 3 in the corner, and then I have 1 in the back. It's plastic. We're waiting on 2 windows, so we have 2 more regular open and shut windows coming, just for air ventilation. And again, another big glass panel here in the back of the addition, and it's going to be a door right next to it. As you can see, right now we have just a regular zip board covering the door opening. If you're able to see that. But this is it so far. Even the attic windows we're waiting on, so we have those covered in plastic too. It'll be the same windows, these right here, that we're waiting on coming in. Excuse me. So this is it. Nice big addition. I'll take you all on the inside too. We have it nice and cleaned up in there. It's looking real good so far, given the challenges that we've been working with. I'm real thankful. Had a nice treat the other day. The family that used to live here, the family that was, just a part of this property, part of this house, actually, a few of them came by, and we were able to just share, a few moments of just connection. I think I'm real appreciative of understanding the history of the house and being able to, let's say, preserve some of the house, which is, to me, is preserving some of the history and kind of just continuing forward with. Now, from what I've learned, this house was a family / community place, and that's what I want to do. That's kind of the legacy that I want to keep up here, this property. A place not only for my family, but for community to come and just experience the benefits of, a nice piece of land, which is what this is. And we'll turn this into a lot of things at some point: garden, community space, health and wellness space. So going inside, we have the additions. And again, man, these glass panels are just like the most wild part of this project. I just love it. I just love it. And this is what it's looked like so far. Nice, big, huge addition. All the braces are gone. And we built this right on the side of the house. As you can see, this green board, this is where the existing house was. And we just built it right off of that, right on the corner. And created this huge space, which is, I think, about 18 feet by 40 feet. So imagine sitting here, corner of your house, just, nice, relaxed morning, cup of tea, sitting on the couch, nice book, and all of the view that you have here. So I love this. I call this the glass corner. Yep. This windows are so tall, you could, you stand up and still have room. This window is actually 90 inches tall. Yep. So I love it. We'll have a door going outside. on a deck, side deck, which this would be an entry door, as well as a door here to go to the back of the property. So plenty of doors in the space. A lot of consideration of where you put your doors, where you put your windows. I mean, you really have to do a lot of thinking, functional thinking about your house and just how you live and how you want to access things. So door and window placement is you know, that's a big part of designing your house when you're doing that, designing your house. This opening here will lead to a bathroom. So the bathroom for this space, or let me say this space will have its own bathroom, and so we have the opening into there. So altogether, we built two huge additions. I mean, this addition is 40 feet by about 18 feet. And then we have the addition over here, which is also 40 feet by almost 12 feet. So nice, huge space that we've added to the property to just, you know, give more space, which is what me and my family needs. Nice big glass windows, as you've seen in the last videos. Yeah. So this is it. This is it so far. We'll keep everybody updated. And thank you for tuning in and following the journey of the renovation of a 98-year-old farmhouse transformed into a modern family home. This is Munir Bahar from Core Construction.